So today we're going to be doing multiplication, the lattice method, and our problem is 42 times 24. So when you do lattice, you have this setup. So this is the setup for two two-digit numbers when you multiply them. So I'm going to write my 42 here and my 24 on the side. So 42 on top and 24 on the side. So here's my setup. So as you can see, each number has specific boxes. So R4, R2, R2, and R4. So now I'm going to start with my multiplication. So I'm going to take 2 times 2. And when I do that, I know that I get 4. So and 4 is a one-digit number, so we're going to have to make sure we add our 0 to our column. So 2 times 2, and that adds up to here. So I'm going to write a 0, and I'm going to write a 4. 0, 4. Because those two would multiply together equal 4, and we will put that in the box under and beside the two 2's that we multiplied. So then I'm going to move over to my 4. So I'm going to do 2 times 4. And I know that 2 times 4 equals 8. So I'm going to do the same thing that I just did with my 4. I'm going to line up my two numbers that I just multiplied, and I'm going to write 0, 8. Because that's what 4 times 2 is. So now I finished my top row, so now I'm going to go down to my bottom, which is where my 4 is. So again, I'm going to do 4 times 2, and I know that 4 times 2 is 8, so I'm going to line these two up, and I'm going to write 8, 0, 8. And then I'm going to do 4 times 4, and that answer will go right here in this box. And I know that 4 times 4 is 16. So I wrote my 1 on my top triangle and the 6 on the bottom triangle. So now I have the chart completed. So now I'm going to add on the diagonal line. So I'm going to start. There's nothing to add with the 8, so I'm just going to write the 8. I'm just going to carry it down. So I have 8. Then on my next column, I'm going to add on the diagonal so I can see that I have 4 plus 0, and 4 plus 0 is 4. And I have 4 plus 6, and 4 plus 6 equals 10. So I'm going to write a 0 here, and I'm going to carry my 1 up to the next column. So as you can see, I wrote my 1 right here, and my 0 down here. So then I'm going to do 1 plus 0, which is 1, and then 1 plus 8 equals 9, and 9 plus 1 equals 10. I'll write my 0 again, and of course, I'm going to carry my 1 up to the next column where my 0 is. Well, I know that 1 plus 0 equals 1, so I'm going to carry my 1 down, and I'm going to write my 1 right here. So now, as you can see, on each line there's a number. So then, I'm going to start from the 1, and I'm going to write my answer. So it's 1,008. 1,008. So I know that when I do 42 times 24, that my answer is 1,008.